How to get verified on Google Ads LSA quickly. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get verified on Google Ads Local Services Ads, or LSA, as quickly as possible. Becoming verified ensures your ads are trustworthy and visible to potential customers in your area. Let's dive right into the process. First, ensure your business meets Google's eligibility criteria for LSA. You must operate in an eligible vertical and have all relevant licenses close at hand. Make sure your Google My Business profile is current and accurate with all the required information. Having a verified profile is essential to increase your chances of getting approved quickly. Next, gather the necessary documents needed for verification. This could include proof of business registration, licenses, and insurance policies. Ensure all these documents are up to date, clear, and legible. This will prevent any delays in the verification process. Then, visit the Google Ads Local Services website and sign up using your Google account. Follow the prompts to fill in your business details and upload your documentation. Take your time to double-check all entries to avoid any errors that might slow down the process. After submission, Google will review your application and conduct a background check if required. This process might take some time, but being proactive and prompt in providing any additional information requested by Google can expedite it. Once verified, you'll receive a badge of trust on your ad, which helps you attract more customers. Keep monitoring your LSA performance and update your business information regularly to maintain your verification status. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to help others find it too.